see. There can be some like beavers and marmots to contend with at this spot. Just FYI, if I see a beaver and start freaking out, don't judge me. Also, it's probably loud as hell from the waterfall. I can't do anything about that, so I'll try and keep the lens clean too. There's a lot of spray coming off, but this is the spot where we could catch some trout. This is a trout spot. There could be suckers in here. But I don't know though. I feel like if I throw out a rod with a sinker on it like this rig's probably gonna get lost in the rocks. But I'm gonna do it anyway. I'll put corn on it. And a big sucker, man, a 20-inch sucker, they pull hard. They're fun to catch. They're definitely fun to catch. So if we can get one of those guys, that's tight. Let's give it a shot. Let's try the far end of this pool over there. Pretty much right there. That's pretty good. I'll free spool and put a stick on it. We'll see if that line starts coming out. But for trout, I'm gonna start with jig head, crawler. Also, I apologize if the camera gets foggy. Like I said, I'm gonna try to keep wiping it off, but a lot of mist is getting kicked off of this waterfall. So, you know, there's that. We have a net too, in case we catch something big. Yeah, let's try something obnoxious. Pink head. A little bit lighter, so I can crawl it a little bit slower. The fly is gonna excite him a bit too. There we go. It looks real nasty now, but it'll look better in the water. Still nothing's hit the corn rod. Ooh. Brown trout. Get him unhooked. Pretty one. Not a big one, but that's a pretty fish, isn't it? Off you go. Here, let's try and go in between those rocks with this. Whoop. Another fish. That's a white sucker. Little tiny one. There we go. Got that one on the hook. Nice little, probably wild brown trout, so you know, adipose fin clip. Pretty fish, man. Again, these fish aren't big, but they're beautiful, aren't they? All right, let's let them go. Go on. Go on. Hopefully that lens is staying kind of dry. I'm trying to clean it off. Isn't this a hell of a spot though? Catching these pretty little brown trout, most of which I think are wild. I think, you know, they run up this creek to spawn. In the fall, the big ones, the adults will do it shortly, about another month. And so all these little fish in here, they're not stocked, I don't think. I think they're naturally producing here. And once they get big enough, they make their way down to the lake. So you're not gonna find any monsters in here unless it's spawning time and the adults have run back up. They're so pretty, these pretty little wild brown trout. It's cool, man. What do we got? Rainbow trout. Tiny little rainbow trout. Little baby. Again, natural reproduction. That's a wild trout.
Okay, to summarize, we got several small wild fish at a beautiful waterfall spot that also blessed us with a rainbow. What an awesome experience. This next week, I'll be going after some bigger fish, salmon, lake trout, and muskie. So stay tuned for that. But this was a cool little mission in my opinion. The beautiful scenery really made it. I appreciate you watching as always. And now, check out these deer I spotted on the drive home. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.
Hey. See you later.